and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video that you are watching here in my channel. Let me introduce myself that I am Val and this is a financial journey by Val, of course. So my channel is all about my own journey, personal journey about the finances. I do share my tips that works out in staying on top of my financial. So also a mom. I work full time to one of the BPO company here, software company here in the Cebu City, guys. And so if you, I am not actually a pro. I am just plainly sharing what works well for me in terms of the finances. So if those are the kind of content that you are interested in, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and of course follow and hit the notification bell so every time I will be uploading new videos, you will get notified. So let's dive into our video for today, guys. By the way, I decided to do a voiceover na lang instead of just talk during the filming day because I find it na mas maganda yung quality ng audio in using the microphone that I have in my headset. So, yes, ito na. So, I'm gonna do a savings planner update. Supposed to be, it's gonna be the first one that I should be doing before I do the cash stuffing, no? So I make sure that it's the monthly savings planner is updated with the starting balance. The monthly debt tracker is updated as well. But yun nga, because I was kind of busy lately, so I wasn't able to update or do this. So with this kind of template, guys, or with this, I am able to stay on top of my savings planner, or like I have the visuality of how far along I am with my savings plan or savings goal. I have the visuality of how much I have already saved for a specific category. So this works well for me in terms of tracking. I do hope that this one also be helpful if you're going to follow my method. Yeah. So supposed to be with this one that you are seeing, this is actually for the month of June. And for the month of June, I should have been able to update the balance, no? Dapat updated yung balance that. And again, because I'm kind of busy, I wasn't able to do that. So I am going to do it right now. So whatever that I'm seeing as the balance or ending balance at the end of the month, let's say for example for this June, kasi ito yung nakikita ninyo, chine-check ko siya or like kino-cross check ko siya with our bank. So for the emergency funds, it is actually in my um in our Union Bank account. 1 month ahead, the tuition fee, the medical funds, and birthday funds, they are all in the CIMB. Those are actually sinking funds for a short-term savings goal. Um, and putting that in a digital bank like CIMB earns a lot of or a huge or a bigger anong tawag dito, interest. Just recently, July 2nd or July 1st ata, when I checked, CIMB give or provided me a 99 pesos interest for saving up more than 50k na ata yung nasa CIMB ko. I can't remember. So yeah, if you think of it, guys, if you're saving 50,000 and in 1 month you are earning an interest of 100 and 99 pesos yun, 'di ba? So in whole year, yung 100 times mo ng 12 month. So you will be earning 1,200 just for the interest in a digital bank compared to the regular bank like Union Bank. I haven't had a chance or hindi talaga ako naka-experience na nakakuha ng ganun kalaking interest in a regular bank with the BDO and the Union Bank or even the BPI. I haven't received that much of interest. So that's a good thing because I'm not putting all my savings in one basket. So I have savings for the Union Bank and I also have savings for the CIMB. So for the short term goals, that is again in my CIMB. For the long term goals, example the emergency funds, they are in my Union Bank. Yun.
Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to you since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video.
So the first step that I do um, at the beginning of the month is to update my monthly savings planner. So I will be writing down yung starting balance of a specific savings goal, and also put what is my goal amount for that. So you see, my emergency funds, I like to goal it 120, and now my running savings is emergency ba is 98,300, guys. So I'm closely to my savings goal. Actually na-achieve ko na yung 90k, yung first milestone of saving. And after that, I am increasing na naman the amount that I wanted to save to keep me going, to keep me putting savings in whatever I'm planning to save for. And I also have a monthly debt tracker, guys. So for the monthly debt tracker, the only amount that I'm actually like kinuhulugan for now is yung cellphone ng husband ko. So yung starting balance is 18,800, and I think how far na ba I am. So 17 over 12 24 months. It's 2 years to pay, guys, for my husband's cell phone. And I think before mag 2 years I can fully pay that, because look at the amount. It's 18,800, and each month I am paying 3,000 for that. So yeah, I think I can be able to pay it off. I think the next one that I am planning to like monthly talaga na gadget that I wanted to invest in or buy is laptop. Yung laptop na hindi yung I mean sorry, yung laptop na gusto ko talaga that I'm really dreaming of is yung Apple or yung MacBook. Yung pinakamura lang. Not because of the brand, guys, but because of the battery lifespan. I believe yung pinakamababa is 8 hours or 16 hours. I'm not sure, I forgot. And also, yung editor ng MacBook is, or like kapag mag-edit ka, hindi siya slow, and it can actually fight kung ano yung mga pangangailangan ko. I can edit, I can save. I think I can upgrade the storage to 1 terabyte, so I can save a lot of videos, photos, for my content. Yeah, that's one of the reasons that I wanted the Apple or the MacBook, because I haven't had an experience in which or like I haven't had a review na magsa-slow yung MacBook in 5 years, 2 years. Some of yung kasi ibang mga brands, parang nag-start na silang mag-slow after 2 years, 3 years. So, kailangan mo siyang i-reformat sa mga ganun. So, with the MacBook, with my videographers and photographers na nakilala ko with the events industry, they highly recommend that brand for an editor like me, video editor like me. So now I am actually going to update what's in my CIMB or savings ng CIMB ko. So let me show you guys yung balance at saka yung interest na na-earn ko. It's here. So as you can see, there's 99.83 that I've earned on the July 1st for saving such an amount. So yeah. So, after kong nakapag-update ng CIMB and then savings plan, I will look at, um, ano ba, iti-check ko, like, ida-dive in ko yung mga numbers ko dyan, guys, to see how far I am, how much should I be saving, or what is my next savings goal. So, ganong mga bagay. So, tinitignan ko talaga na saan or ano ba yung susunod na isi-save ko, ano ba yung mga susunod na bibilhin ko, or ano ba yung mga susunod na mga big expenses, no? Let's say for example, nagpaplano akong mag-upgrade or bumili ng laptop. So, yeah, I will see to it if hindi ba ako malululong sa utang kapag gagawin ko yan. But that's actually after we fully pay the cell phone, ha. I am not recommending, if you are in a tight budget, guys, I am actually not recommending na kumuha kayo ng new credit or umutang kayo ulit pag hindi pa bayad yung previous, especially if it's a huge amount. Kasi yung cellphone ng husband ko, it's worth 72,000. Yung laptop na bibilhin ko, it's worth 82,000, guys. So, it's a huge amount. So, hindi siya pwedeng talagang pagsabayin. And I'm not recommending that if you are in a tight budget like me. Okay, but if you have so much of the money, go. If you feel that you can pay it off without sacrificing your current budget, go, guys, if you're confident. But again, just like me, I am in a tight budget, so I wouldn't be recommending that. Probably this coming August, guys, yung tuition fee na nakikita ninyo dyan, I might be going to zero that out because I was planning, if ever na ma-receive ko na yung total tuition fee ng anak ko, and if it's a total amount that I have saved it up here, I'm going to fully pay it in cash. Why? Because I will be able to receive a discount if magpo-fully pay daw ako, which is good, diba? I want more discounts in terms of tuition fees or mga big amount that I will be paying. So the tuition fee part, it might goes to zero by August, and with that I will start again to save up for the next school year. So it's going to be like a loop. So I will save up, I will spend it up for this school year, and once it's zero out, start na, still part of my budgeting, but I will still continue to save it up kasi there's another school year para mas prepared ako for the next school year. Hindi ako parang hinahabol yung tuition fee, ay bayaran na naman, magbabayad na naman. At least nagiginhawa ko yung wallet ko, nagiginhawa ko yung brain cells ko to think about paying the tuition fee, guys. Because may stress talaga ako if mangyayaring hindi ko mabayaran ang tuition ng anak ko. So that's gonna be my top priority for my next future expenses and budgeting, guys, and my financial. So yeah, how about you? If you are up until this video, guys, what are your or what is your most and the top priority with your budgeting or with your finances? Because to me, my one and only top is the upcoming tuition fee of my upcoming grade 7 to an exclusive school, which is not a joke in terms of tuition fees. Yeah. Ganon. So I will continue to share with you guys my journey in my savings planner. So yeah, every month you will be, I hope no, I can still continue share with you guys yung mga savings update ko dyan, 'di ba? So, if you feel that you like this video, if you feel that this is helpful, and if you feel that I'm not something boring or I'm able to share with you what is in my savings goal, guys, please go ahead and help me by subscribing to my channel, hitting the notification bell so every time I will be uploading new videos, you will get notified. And yeah, subscribe now and share this to your family. I will see you on our next video, guys. Thank you for supporting. Bye.